Emily, and today I'm going to be unboxing another FabFitFun box. So this will be my second FabFitFun unboxing. I did another one last fall. So here's what the box looks like this fall. So this is the fall box. And I'm a little bit late to this Fall FabFitFun season because they actually start sending them out before the season starts, technically. And I only subscribed right as fall started, so a little late, but it's here. So let's unbox it. Also, this is going to be the first time I film on my new little backdrop wall, which is mostly finished, needs a few changes, but here we are. So let's get to unboxing. Okay, so here's the box, and I believe it opens this way. Voila! So the box this fall is just a plain brown box with some white flowers and leaves, which I think is cute, but also boring. But I don't mind it. I think it's better than the last fall color scheme. So here's what's inside it. First, just some paper, unimportant. And then we have this. I'm going to set it here, look at it later. Yeah, okay. And so then there's also some coupon codes for different places. So it looks like we have a FabFitFun code discount for a friend for their first box. So if anyone's watching this and they've never had a FabFitFun box and they want $15 off, I'll give you this code. And then we have a 50% off wine, which will not be used. And then I think this comes with like every box. It's a HelloFresh discount code type of thing, which I will not be using. I have like 3 of those at least already. So then here's everything in the box. A little sneak peek. Now let's get to looking. So I already kind of peeked at all of these items, and they send like a before you get it sneak peek to everything that's inside. Kind of glanced at that, so I kind of know what's in it. But here we go. So first, this is the Winky Lux Universal Brow Pencil. They call it the Unibrow, which I think is not a very flattering name, but let's open it up real quick. Okay, so here it is. It is fairly small, and it looks double-sided. So we have a little brow spoolie, which is actually something I've been needing, and then the little brow pencil, which I won't use. I really don't think they're that useful or effective. So I typically don't use a brow pencil, but the spoolie could come in handy. So that is the first item, and I will set it right here. Okay, next we have this. It looks like a lash conditioner. So this is an eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. So here is what it looks like. It's just a little black container from Lashes MD. And oh wow, okay, so here's the little liquid. It's just a tiny little stick brush thing. Okay, so it says you're supposed to use this every night, and in 3 weeks you're supposed to get the look you've always wanted, which in no way specifies exactly what this is supposed to do. I figure for the lashes it's supposed to make them like healthier and grow faster, but eyebrows, I really wouldn't want my eyebrows to grow faster, so not sure what the intentions of it to the eyebrows are, but that could be nice to use for the lashes. So next, these are the smaller items. There are bigger items later. So next we have this. This is a Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Cleansing Cream. So it's a gentle makeup remover and cleanser. It's supposed to soothe the skin and renew dry skin. And it's got truffle extract, which is an interesting thing to put into a cleanser. So this definitely could be a nice thing to use. Always looking for new fun skincare. So I would definitely give this a try. Also, I will probably be looking at the ingredients to make sure they are ones that I am okay with using on my face. So that's the next item. Okay, next we have this cute little box. It's a little off-centered, but this is the Baddington lashes made from synthetic silk. So it contains lashes and eyelash glue. They're just a basic, simple, single pair of lashes. They look like they could be cute. They're very thin. I typically don't wear lashes. Like, I have worn them before, but I'm not the type of person to put them on every single day. But I definitely could give those a try. Now, here is the next item. This is a foot mask. I am personally not really into feet masks because I think they're kind of weird, but probably beneficial towards your feet. But this is a Dr. Pedicure foot peeling mask. So I would probably never wear this. You're supposed to soak your feet for 10 minutes, then leave this on for an hour. Then after like a week, you'll start seeing results. So this is definitely a long time mask. takes a while for you to use it, and then takes a while for the effects to be in. And it's supposed to do something peely, you know, the type of like masks that make your feet peel. I think they're kind of a little bit scary, but anyways. It also says you're supposed to soak the feet every day after the application, not sure for how long. And then your feet are gonna feel super dry for like a couple weeks afterwards, which does not sound appealing, but anyways. So that's the next item. Now moving on to the slightly more exciting things. So next we have this. This is the makeup eraser. It's a cute little packaging, little eraser looking thing. Okay, so this says that it'll last 3 to 5 years. It's just a reusable makeup remover, which I've actually been looking for like reusable cotton pads. So this will be great. And then you can just throw it into the laundry. So that's nice. Also it's pink, love pink. Okay, so it's like a rather longish, large-ish cloth. And of course, since it's reusable, it's helping reduce the use and waste and stuff from makeup wipes or cotton sponges, and it's very soft. So this is cute. Definitely will give this a good use. I'm curious what types of things you can use it with, if it's just like everything or certain makeup removers. Okay, so it has like some simple instructions on it, but it says for me to actually see how it works, I have to like scan the QR code. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just use it in place of a makeup wipe. So yeah, that's cute and fun. Okay, so the next item, there's a few left. So I have this, I believe it's like a lunchbox cooler type thing. So this is from Business and Pleasure Company, and I actually like the color. I saw these online while looking through things on FabFitFun, and the color looked way more yellow, but in person it's kind of like a slightly dusty-ish, kind of cute yellow. So here it is. It's got this longer strap that I can adjust. So it's kind of cute little like picnic vibe thing. And then it's also got these smaller little straps. So I think it's kind of cute. And it's got a pocket in the front, and then it's got the main pouch, so kind of cute. And it will not fit. So let's put it here. Can you see that? Last item. Okay, so this is the Mason HomeSense Collection diffuser, which kind of been wanting one for a while, so glad this was included. So let's see it. I kind of like the packaging. It's kind of nice. There it goes. Okay. Here's everything. I wonder what scent it is. Kind of quite a packaging. So this is like the diffuser liquid that you put in it. It does not say what scent this is going to be, and this really doesn't want to come out of the packaging. But next we have the little diffuser sticks that you stick in the top of the diffuser. And here's the actual diffuser. So it's just this like very dark kind of bronzy gold little like vase looking thing, and then you're supposed to stick these in there and they'll like splay out, and then you pour this in. And let me find out what the scent is. Oh, it's bergamot, vetiver, geranium, and patchouli. So I will use that and see if I like the smell. And then I'm pretty sure I could just get more reeds and diffusing oil and just reuse this as much as I want. So that's the last item. I didn't actually get to choose any of these because I did order it apparently late after they had began shipping out. So I didn't have a chance to go like choose between different items because you have like 5 choices, I think. So all of these were sent, like they picked them out. So I didn't pick any of this out. But besides some of the little items, I think all the big items are like completely things that will be used. And then of course the little ones, they just put in every box, some of them. So let's look through and see which ones, which are what. Okay, usually, well, okay, in the last box I got, which it was a while ago, they did include the prices and like everything you could have gotten, everything you got and all that. And in every like video, of course, of FabFitFun, like if you've watched any, then you know like this includes prices and everything, but it doesn't look like it does this time. Which, what is the point of this? If it doesn't, I do not know. Yeah, so honestly, this is pointless. Don't need that anymore. Okay, so now I have my phone. I believe I can look on the app and find out what I should have been able to find out with the little magazine thing. I don't think it's going to show me what I could have gotten, but I mean, if you want to know the retail prices, because that's interesting sometimes, I guess. Which I don't know how reliable these prices are, because sometimes like prices are exaggerated in certain boxes I have seen, but I'm sure anyone could look up the actual price of any of these. So that diffuser, originally $59. The Baddington lashes, originally $32. Foot mask, originally $20. The little cleanser, originally $28. Makeup eraser, originally $20. The unibrow pencil, originally $16. The cooler, originally $59. And the eyelash conditioner, originally $70. So that's a lot. And I really want to know like which ones were the ones that are like put in every box, and then which ones are like unique to my box. But I don't know if that's going to be shown anywhere. Well, anyways, I don't think it's going to tell me what I want to know, but it's not that important. Yeah, so honestly, I think this might look cute on this little shelf, so I might try that. Yeah, so anyways, thanks for watching my FabFitFun unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed, because I will most likely be creating one every season for as long as I have the box, which we'll see how long that is. But anyways, I post unboxing videos all the time. I'll have a playlist linked in the corner if you want to go watch some of those. Also, you can subscribe to my channel by hitting the button below or the icon on at the bottom corner of the screen right here. And also you can check out some of my social media linked in the description if you're interested. And make sure to stay tuned for my next video. I post usually every Monday and Thursday. So see you next time. Bye.